then what does it say? That the resultant will be from the tail of A to head of B. तो ये हमने इसको ज्वाइन कर दिया, तो आपका वेक्टर कौन सा हो गया? ये दिस इज द वेक्टर A माइनस B, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. Is it clear? And I know from the diagram that this magnitude of the vector will be A minus B, which we can prove also using the general expression of resultant. So here I have written A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 180 degree, and the value of cos 180 is minus 1. This you must be knowing. Okay. So if I substitute the value of minus 1 here, then if I put minus 1 here, then this will become A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, and that basically means that C will be equal to A minus B. Is it clear? अब आप इसको लिख लीजिए. Case 2.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, it can be B minus A.
Yeah, if the magnitude of B is more, in that case it will be B minus A.
Okay, sir.
Okay. वो भी मैं आपको ड्रॉ करके दिखा देता हूँ. Just hold on. ठीक है. That's a very good question. अगर आपका B का मैग्नीट्यूड ज्यादा है, let us say this is the case. ये आपका वेक्टर A है और ये आपका वेक्टर B है. Sorry. Is it clear? तो ये वेक्टर A का मैग्नीट्यूड है, वेक्टर B का मैग्नीट्यूड है. Okay, now if you apply triangle of vector addition, then that means this is the tail of A, this is the head of B. इसको अगर आप ज्वाइन करोगे तो वेक्टर क्या आएगा? ये आएगा. आया समझ में? तो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या है? B minus A. Is that clear? So in the under root, if you see A square plus B square minus 2AB, cos 180 becomes minus 1, right? So this can be written as under root of A minus B ka whole square. This is the value of C. Now the value of C could be A minus B if A is greater than B, or it could be B minus A if B is more than A. Because C cannot be negative. C has to be the magnitude. Magnitude is never negative. It can be 0, but it can never be negative. Okay, does it make sense? So what we can write as a general expression is, we can write A minus B mod. That is mod of A minus B. So this will be the magnitude of C. This is the general expression. Okay, now you can write everything down.
Excuse me, sir.
Different. So let's say this is your vector A. And this is your vector B. Angle between them is 90 degrees. So the rule to find the angle is that their tails should be joined together. So actually vector B is placed here on the tail of this. The angle will still be 90 degrees. Okay. So the method to find the angle is, you have to join their tails together. But to find the resultant, what we have to do is, we have to follow tail head rule. Okay. So now what is the vector resultant of the two? It must be from the tail of A to the head of B. This is your C. C. What is C? C is the magnitude of vector A plus B. Okay. Now if this angle is 90 degrees, that means cos 90 is 0.
0.
So when I use the general expression for finding the magnitude of resultant of two vectors, 2AB cos 90. Okay, now this term will become 0. Okay, so you will be left with C is equal to under root of A square plus B square, which you also know, which you already know by the name of,
Pythagoras theorem.
yes, very good. Okay, so this is your third case. इसको आप लिख लीजिए.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Sir, if two vectors are perpendicular, so find the resultant by PGT.
Come again.
Sir, if two vectors are perpendicular, so we can find the resultant by Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem can also be applied, that you already know. That same thing is applicable when you ये भी आप लोगों को स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, ये कोई वैसे देखा जाए तो कोई जनरल केस नहीं है, इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल केस. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स में अगर ये रिजल्ट आपको पता है तो आपके जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग है वो बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है. ठीक है ना. तो व्हाट इज दैट फोर्थ केस, लेट मी टेल यू.
Sir, 4a square cos theta.
सर वीडियो भी नहीं आ रहा है, फिर से कल जैसा हो रहा है.
हाँ
Archit raise hand.
हाँ बोलो अर्चित.
नहीं सर, वो पहले स्क्रॉल डाउन नहीं हुआ था, अब हो गया, वो हो गया.
ओके. तो आपको सारे केसेस समझ में आ रहे हैं. देयर आर टोटल 5
यस सर.
which are very easy.
Yes, sir.
If what if they are parallel, what if they are anti-parallel, what if they are perpendicular. What if their
Sir,
magnitudes are equal and the angle is 120 degree or 60 degree? हाँ, बोलो क्या डाउट है?
yes, sir. I wanted to understand.
Sir, 0 degrees.
0 degree.
Parallel.
0 degrees.
0
0
degrees.
degree.
0 degrees.
Yes. अच्छा थोड़ा सा एक नया सिस्टम बना लेते हैं.